Ever record a long video but only want to keep the best part without spending time trimming it yourself? With the auto trim feature in Samsung Studio, your Galaxy S25 Ultra can instantly find and keep the highlight moments for you. It's fast, smart, and perfect for quick edit before posting to social media. To do so, open Gallery app and then select the video you want to edit. Tap Create at the bottom left and then choose Movies. This will open your video in Samsung Studio. Now tap Auto Trim. As you can see, your phone will analyze the video and keep only the highlight section. If needed, you can adjust the highlight length using the slider if you want it shorter or longer. When you are happy with the result, tap Apply. Here you can do some customization for the trim video, or you can simply tap Done if you just want to save it. And that's it. Now your Galaxy S25 Ultra can automatically keep only the best part of your videos. It's a super useful feature when you want clean, short clip without spending time on manual editing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.